So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search stays here on the Expedia application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Expedia. Once that is done, you can either go to the top left where it says Hi Traveler and it says Stays. Go ahead and simply press on that there. Or what you can also do is you can go back and you can go to where it says Search at the bottom left here. Press on Search, then go to the top left and press on Stay. And under where it says stay, you can select your location. So I'm just going to go ahead here and select, let's just select a place. Let's go New York City. Why not New York City? Just like that, I'll press on search right here. The dates, I will select whatever, the 28th of November. Press on search, and there you go. You can now view a whole bunch of different stays that you're looking for. So you can just scroll down, a whole bunch of different hotels here that are being offered. And yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty simple. So once again, you can either go to the home page here, go to the top left and press on stay, or go to the bottom left and press on search, then go to the top left and press on stays, and go through it that way. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to search stays here on Expedia. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.